Hello YouTube, this is my HyperGo H16BM and I will be showing you how it performs on an RC track. This is running on a 2S LiPo that comes with the vehicle. This vehicle within the 3S LiPo is just insane and it's impossible to really control, especially if you're running in the dirt like I am right here. There will be several clips, a few small jumps. I did play for about half an hour with the 2 included batteries and did not break anything, even doing some high jumps, bad landings like you can see. Everything hold up. So durability wise, similar to what I'm saying in all of these videos, these HyperGos are holding up pretty well. The only place I managed to break those vehicles were while running into the skate park. Yes, if you want to run the skate park, it is very fun, but also very easy to break stuff. So here the camera is on the tripod and I'm just going up that hill and going down. Didn't film me going throughout the entire circuit here. The vehicle, it is small, and when it's far from you, it's kind of hard to see. Goes for crazy spins. Did record some crazy spins as I was running through ice, and it gets into a spin very easily because it's so much power, and again it's running 3S LiPo at 100%. The controller allows you to set 100 or 70%, and this is 2S 100%. The body is all cracked. I still have a black body that looks good for display, and it is waterproof. I mean, the receiver did not get water in it, but I did end up playing the mud, and I have another different video about it, and I had to really wash the entire vehicle because it was just too dirty to make it clean again. So as you can see, even as we are running here in a very flat area, it goes pretty well. When it gets to the rough terrain, it's more of a challenge to keep it up, but it does. I'm so happy with these HyperGos, even though it gets stuck sometimes because it's so tiny and there isn't really a lot of clearance. It's fun, it's powerful, it's resistant, it doesn't break, and it just keeps on going. I'm planning on getting and purchasing more of these HyperGos. I know there are several other models out there. Currently I have the H16BM, the H14BM, which is bigger than this one. But there are several other models that I would like to try. So hopefully if I can eventually purchase those, I'll bring to the channel. Please leave your comments, questions. How could I improve these videos? What did you like about it? What you didn't like about it? Let me know. I do this as a hobby. This is not my professional. I'm not doing YouTube for a living, but I have a lot of fun recording this, even getting all my shoes really dirty while doing so. But sharing with the community, it's cool. That's how I choose how I purchase my stuff. I always go out and check what's out there, what people are doing. Is this vehicle gonna be durable? Watching these videos, you can kind of feel, well, that's how I wanna play with this, and it's holding up good for him, so most likely will hold up good for you as well. After this clip, there will be me talking about this vehicle without the cover. It's a clip that I also use on a different video, so excuse me if you have seen that already. That's why I put it on the end of this one. But I thought that was some nice information there I want to share. Consider subscribe and see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.
This truck. It's all covered up in mud, water, you name it. You have everything in there. The body is pretty bad, but that's, you know, when you use the vehicle, that's what happens. Right here, see, didn't get too much water inside, which is great. Like I mentioned in other videos, the receiver here is not waterproofed, so it shouldn't get that wet by any means, but it's water resistant. That's what they say. All the other parts are a bit wet, but this car is holding up pretty damn well. Look at the bottom, everything. Dust turns on. The controller is off, so that's why you don't see the lights there. I will replace the battery here and I will go for another run. So thank you very much for watching. I'm having a lot of fun with this Hypergo H16BM. Subscribe, like, dislike, leave your comments. Thank you.